Hi, it's me, Tati Romano from Panelaterapia. Come with me because we're going to prepare this beauty right here. Pork picanha with butter and herbs by invitation of Aurora Premium Musica. You won't believe the result we're gonna get. Using only 3 ingredients, this recipe turns out perfect. We just use bacon, mozzarella, and the wonderful Aurora Premium Picanha, which, by the way, guys, this brand was made for more demanding consumers, offering a whole different consumption experience with super high quality. These are premium meats with a very special seasoning. It's an entire selection process that starts in the field and goes all the way to our table to provide a truly unique flavor experience. You're going to love it. You saw how simple it is, right? I made cuts in the pork picanha without going all the way through and put cheese and bacon in each cut, and I'm going to put it in the oven, which is preheated to 200 degrees for 40 minutes. Wrapped in aluminum foil double layer, okay? And you can make it on the grill because with Aurora Premium, your barbecue has an extra touch, you see? It's perfect for grilling. I'm going to put it in a baking dish now and bake it for another 20 minutes without the foil to brown it, just like this. Here, I want you to pay attention to how tender it turned out. Don't forget to like the video. And I hope you try this recipe because I'm sure you're going to love it.